Yo, 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 yo! I'm back. Here I am in studio, your little boy. So I'm ready to get on this fourth episode. This episode, we have West Ham. West Ham, quite interesting. Then it's a fresh one. It's transfer deadline in this episode. So before I record this, I sent a transfer list for Philip Anderson. There's one source that is ready. Before that, I want to show you the player of the episode is David De Gea. What? Surprise? No. 91 rated David De Gea in the goal. You smash out every single attackers in the ep4 with the nearest two match, winning against Tottenham and Burnley. So we'll still get it there. So we meet West Ham. I'll rocket this team. I still rocket the old team. You can recognize that. Ibra is not out. I want Ibra to get at least matches as possible because we're gonna start him next season, and it's gonna be an absolute dicks if I try to meet him almost in the match. So we're up to West Ham. Pogba, Romelu, Firmino, Darwin, Randolph make the save. Yes, 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 no. Dang it. We need someone like Leon Goretzka. You came in at the right time and bang everything. Right now we cannot do anything because of freaking down Randolph. Could this make a difference? And Lukaku. Oh no. Oh no. Nice job, De Gea. 6 points. He must be better than that. Martial. Firmino. Don't ever attempt to try 5 shoots, okay? Man. Error and for Henrik Mkhitaryan. By the way, in mid-game, I'm going to talk about my transfer market for next season. In next season, probably I'm going to sell 2 players. Herrera and Zlatan Ibrahimovic the card. He doesn't got playtime. How could we keep him? We cannot keep him if he don't have playtime. Let other have chance like Lukaku or Martial or Firmino. And the next one is Herrera. We got Leon Goretzka. No more Herrera needed. So although with that transfer, we have like 60 million budget. That's what I think. 60 million budget. 2 enough to buy a player. I will show you later. Okay. So we win against West Ham. Lukaku scored 2. I'm not gonna play Chelsea because Chelsea in the next month. So let's take. Can we got Philip Anderson? Could we have him? Where's Felipe? So Chelsea also win. Perhaps a great run up before the match. Yes, we get Philip Anderson. Let's make sure she get with him. He won 55.2. So I drop him into 55.75. Okay. But we got him before the transfer window closed. Yes, we can. He is signed for United. So welcome to United, Felipe Anderson. So next up is the monthly surprise. So transfer window done. Another one is Kenkara, Winterborough, Timlamot, De Gea in there. That's it. De Gea but he's the player of the month of the Premier League. Young player of the month is Paul Pogba. Yes, guy. So today is gonna be our monthly summit. So we entered in the statistics. So here's the player for sold. Sergio Romero, next window. Ana Herrera, next window. And finally, Zlatan Ibrahimovic, next window. So we're getting like, let me think about that. 25 mil. So we have 28 mil in total. And here's my shortlist. Coutinho and Werner, it hasn't done yet. So wait a moment. First up, go to France. To League One. Go to Bordeaux. Man, Paris Saint-Germain have a shit season. Bordeaux is here. Malcolm is here. Shortlist Malcolm. Next up, go to Italy. Syria. Go to Juventus. Where are you, Juventus? Jesus Christ. Where the fuck is Juventus? Oh, they're in 10th place. Man, wait. They signed Brian from Hellas Verona. That's a shit name. And that's it. So, Dybala shortlist done. Came back to the club. Darian has raced in it, and Indy Buren too. So, right now, it's time to go to the squad monthly report statistic. So basically, the player episode, I'm gonna pull right now because it's one game, and here's the episode. Romelu Lukaku. Yeah. So next up, it's gonna be De Gea, keeper of the month. Hold on. De Gea is the keeper of the month. So hold for me for getting something to write on. There we go. Keeper of the month, De Gea. Next up, defender of the month. Our defender of the month is gonna be Dali Blin. Midfielder of the month is gonna be, midfielders of the month. I want you for Gordon, but no. Alright, my midfielder of the month, no surprise, is gonna be Paul Pogba. And finally, attacker of the month, Lukaku, of course. And we will hold staff award for the young player of the month. The young player of the month of the Premier League is Paul Pogba. For me, it's Anthony Martial. So all of these guys are gonna have a player of the month card next time. And so we also have the next episode is the transfer market summary, and the monthly prizes is up. So for now, goodbye everybody.